Using a repeater on Wix is an efficient way to display a collection of similar items on your website, such as a list of products, services, or team members. To get started, open your Wix website in the Studio Editor and click on the Add button in the top bar. From the Add panel, select Repeater and choose the type of repeater you want to use, such as a grid or a list. Once you have added the repeater to your page, you can customize its layout and design by using the Settings panel. Here you can adjust the spacing, padding, and margins of the repeater, as well as the style of the items it contains. You can also add filters and sorting options to make it easier for your visitors to find what they are looking for. To add content to your repeater, click on the Add Item button and select the type of item you want to add, such as a text item, an image item, or a button item. You can then customize the content of each item by using the Settings panel. For example, you can add a title, description, and image to a product item, or a name, title, and photo to a team member item. One of the key benefits of using a repeater is that it allows you to easily manage and update large amounts of content from a single location. To do this, click on the Data button in the top bar and select the repeater you want to manage. Here you can add, edit, and delete items, as well as import and export data from a CSV file. To take your repeater to the next level, you can use Wix built-in features such as animations, transitions, and interactions. For example, you can add a hover effect to your repeater items, or set up a click action to open a lightbox or navigate to a different page. Best practices for using repeaters on Wix include keeping your content organized and up to date, using clear and concise language, and testing your repeater on different devices and browsers to ensure it looks and functions as expected. By following these steps and tips, you can create a repeater that is both functional and visually appealing, and that helps to enhance the user experience of your website.